Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today we're gonna talk about the 5G from U Mobile. So on my left hand side, this is Poco M3 5G Pro, and also on my right side is the LG V50 5G. Okay, so the SIM card of the U Mobile 5G is at this Poco phone on the left side. This Poco phone. Okay, so at first, let's see the speed cap for the 5G from U Mobile. Okay, let me show you this one. So it is U Mobile, correct? And then there's 5G there. We go to the speed test. You see here, U Mobile. Press go. So the download speed is 456. Remind you, this is U Mobile 5G, and then the upload is 50.7. Okay, let's see the detailed result. Okay, there. So you got the from U Mobile 5G. Now for the hotspot from at this LG phone, LG V50, if you can see here, Wi-Fi Poco M3 Pro 5G, correct? So it's connected to the Wi-Fi from hotspot from the this phone, from this U Mobile, and then it shows there also that one. Alright, and then if you want to make sure, we go to network and then Wi-Fi Poco. Alright, Poco connected. Okay, see there, 5G. Sorry, it's a blur bit. Okay, frequency 5G, correct? So connected with the U Mobile 5G. So let's do comparison. Speed cap. The hotspot from, if it's a 5G, means the hotspot also is a 5G. You see, more than 100. U Mobile. Download speed is 261. I could say is half. And the upload speed is 55.7, about the same with the main one. So I would say the this 5 hotspot, consider half of not really half, but how to say, it's about the same actually, the speed, but they slow it down a bit for the hotspot from if you get a hotspot for 5G hotspot from U Mobile. So this is the comparison of the U Mobile main and Hotspot 5G internet speed. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.